Welcome friends on my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to write a program in C++. So before going in detail, let we discuss basic structure of C. Basic structure of C++. Here is header file. IO stream for input output .h. Here you using namespace. Let we discuss later what is namespace here. Then your int main, then statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, then after successful return 0. Then one thing is coming to what is return 0. This is the basic structure for the C++. Return 0 and return 1. What is return 0? Return 0 means terminate or successful executed. Okay, but in return 1 we have not executed successfully. That's why we are using only return 0 after the termination of all the statements. Okay, after this in C++ now oops concept is there, then class is there, then you have to write their logics, then int main, their object creation here, then class and objects concept, oops concept is here in the C++, having oops concept, class, objects, inheritance, single inheritance, multi-level, multiple, hybrid, hierarchical. So we discuss later on this all the stuff. So this is the basic structure for the C++. We using the return 0 for the successful execution and return 1 for the not successfully executed. Let's see the basic program for the, if you want to print simple hello world, first we use the header file, then our main execution part is here. Here terminology, let's see, say out is to provide what we write here for the output, then the semicolon, and C in for the, if you want to input at the runtime, then you have to put a input here. Okay, if number is anything 1 2 3, then here you have to write enter number. The runtime na, then compiler asks please enter number, then you have to write, and then according your program it will give output to you. Then what is std here? We are if we discuss in next slide. Okay, when you execute this program hello world, it will display on the output, then return 0 is for successfully terminated, our program is executed successfully, then return 0 to the main. Okay, default int main is main function is int, not void. Okay, because we have to return something to the function. Maybe function, it may be a void value, it may be a void function also, so we have to return something na, that's why we are using int in the main. Okay, so to understand this concept, let's move on to next slide. Here we are using header file, using namespace std. Here we not use std here. If you are not used this at this place na, using namespace at this, not in initialize this. Then you separately use std for every statement. Std scope resolution operator, cout, then std for cin, for everywhere where you want, how many cout you use in your program, all every line you have to write std. Instead of this, to avoid this stuff, we use using namespace std. Okay, so the same program as previous, hello world, and then it return the 0 value to the main function for the successful execution of the program. Okay, let we try to write a program to write to add two number, C++, addition of two number, okay. So to add two number, what is our requirement? We need requirement. What is our requirement? We need two number. Suppose we want we have three number, A, B and C. Then we have to we want to add these two numbers, and the result of these two store into. Okay, this is our main requirement. So let's start how to write. First we have to write our header files, as include iostream, then using namespace std, then our main. In the main we have to our three variable, okay, A, B and C. Then if you want user will provide at runtime, then you have to enter, then you have to write here cout, new line, enter to number. Okay, you can use handle also, handle at this point. Then scene take the output from the user A and B. Okay, you can write separately. You can also write A scene B. Okay, to provide input at scene, to provide input at runtime, scene is used. Then after the A and B value, what you want? You want addition, and that is stored in C, A plus B. Clear? We take input A and B, and after taking we have to add them, and then store in result store in C. Then after this, what we want? We want what is the value of C. Then you have to take C out again. In C we take printf na, then in this you take C out. Then you have to write addition program is there na, addition equal to, then you have to write C. Then for successful execution return 0, and then close the main. This is our addition of two number. If you need more, then you define here D, E, F as per your requirement. Then here you also mention the C, and result of all these store in D. Accordingly you can change, it depends on you. Okay, then next take another example. All mathematical operation you done by you will have you can perform all arithmetic operation as per your requirement with previous example. In this, take a previous example also. Suppose if we want to write a program on area of a rectangle, okay, or perimeter. What is the perimeter? Then what is your requirement? You need length, breadth, and area, and perimeter you have to calculate. Okay, then header file you're using namespace int main. Then you have to give name L for length, B area, and perimeter. Then you have to give enter value of length and breadth. Enter value of length and breadth. If you want to add the runtime value, then if not, then you can put here the direct value. C in, provide L and B for breadth. Then we know the area, length into breadth, perimeter, peri is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then C out. Then after this calculation, you want to know the what is actually the output is, then you have to take, this is not equal to, this is the operator, area. What is the, sorry, what is the value of area equal to, then you have to write here area. Same for perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, and you have to write here perimeter value. Then for after successful return 0. Okay. In this, here you compiler asks for the value, suppose 5 or 6 is the value. Then here is the total area is 30 and here is 22. Then in this line the output will be, for the area is 30, for this the value is 22, and at this point program executed successfully. It returned the value 0 to the main. Write any program, just concentrate what is your requirement, and then accordingly you have to go for step by step. So hope you enjoy this video and got the concept. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.